Alright, we're here in the garage. We're gonna throw the fake, maybe not fake, maybe legit, but nonetheless, $9.99 on eBay TRD fuel cap cover. We're gonna throw this on the Celica fuel cap. Obviously, let's get that. Locate that bad boy. Whoop. Alrighty, so step one, pretty obvious. Open fuel door, remove fuel cap. This is a stamped fuel cap, but it's a OEM style replacement. Let's see. Well, does it fit? Yeah. Yeah, I mean, double-sided tape, stick this on. I'm gonna try and put something here because there is some movement. So let's see what I figure out. Just make sure this is very clean. I'm gonna wipe this with some carb cleaner or whatever, and I might add my own double-sided tape. So let's see. All right, car people, here we are. I've wrapped this handle part with some masking tape. That has taken up the slop of the cap. So now all I'm gonna do is give the actual fuel cap the final cleaning, remove the adhesive backing. It says it's got 3M logos, but I've also seen fake 3M tape, so yeah. Just make sure this is clean. You shouldn't have any trouble with it sticking on. If this glue is no good, just get the good stuff, get the red one. Yeah, let's do it. There you go, simple as that. Pretty easy. It doesn't cover the gas cap entirely, just covers this top part right here. But it looks pretty good. And for $9.99, I'm not mad at it. It adds a little something to the car. The devil is in the details. Let's see. Sorry for the lighting. I did order a 51-inch light bar that I'll be installing in here. I'll also be running off of the same type of batteries that I have for the current setup. So stay tuned. The lighting will improve, I hope. Yeah, I think it looks pretty good. Is it real? Is it fake? Well, I think it's fake, and I think I paid fake prices. Yeah, I consider it a tribute to TRD. I mean, you know, I like to rock authentic stuff, but this is kind of a nonsense thing, paying 60 bucks for something like this, especially if there's an identical one for $9.99. It makes me suspicious. Maybe the legit one is made in the same place as the fake one, in which case it's kind of crazy inflation, but you be the judge. There you go. I like it. Pretty neat. So yeah, check it out. It even comes with the double-sided tape you need to install it. Pretty cool. Just taking a closer look here at the packaging, and here's the part number. So yeah, I don't know if it's a fake. They're really trying hard nowadays. I picked up a fake Broadway mirror that upset me because I thought it was a real one, and you know, the price was pretty close to a real one, so I would rather buy the real one. So is this fake? Is the real one identical to this? Is the real one and the fake one made in the same factory? I don't know. You tell me in the comment section below. Aerial out.